Good afternoon, class. For the continuation of our topic, I have here some sentences. But before you answer these, I will show you some examples. First person. The singular of the first person is me and the plural is you, because it refers to the one who is talking or the speaker. And the second person, the singular is you and the plural is you, because it refers to the person whom the speaker is talking to. And the third person, singular, him, her, it, plural, them, because it refers to the people or things rather than the speaker. And now, we will going to answer the sentences. Number 1, she is sitting in the garden. So the object pronouns is she. Number 2, my brother will go to the cinema with you. The object pronoun is you. Number 3, the teacher is not speaking to us. The object pronoun is us. For number 4, Helen will go to the shop with you. The object pronoun is you. And number 5, my mother saw Susan and you in the mall. The object pronoun is you. For number 6, yesterday, Helen went to the cinema, but I stayed at home. The object pronoun is I. Number 7, the boss told them the good news. The object pronoun is them. Number 8, B-boy handed her the magazine. Her is the object pronoun. Number 9, the postman gave me 4 letters. The object pronoun is me. And number 10, gentleman gave her a sweater. So the object pronoun is her. Okay, class, that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.